Smart manufacturing refers to the integration of advanced technologies and data-driven processes to optimize production and improve efficiency in traditional manufacturing. It leverages AI, IoT, robotics, and automation to create agile processes and make informed decisions based on real-time data. In this video, we are highlighting 3 key use cases that are driving the demand for smart manufacturing. The first use case is video ingest and analytics for worker safety. High-definition cameras and real-time image processing help identify dangerous situations and non-compliance with safety protocols. This use case ensures a safe working environment and reduces unplanned downtime. The second use case is workflow and asset tracking. By leveraging 5G, low power tags on equipment and materials can transmit real-time location data to the cloud, offering manufacturers greater visibility over their assets. Automated asset tracking has been shown to lead to efficiency gains of up to 25%. The last example is advanced predictive maintenance. This use case combines sensor technology, AI, and edge computing to proactively monitor machinery, detect faults, and prevent breakdowns. Sensors may be attached to critical machinery and collect real-time data on the conditions of equipment. Predictive maintenance can enable enterprises to reduce costs, extend equipment lifespans, and reduce downtime. Edge computing and private networks will play a significant role in shaping smart manufacturing, but several factors are crucial in determining whether deployments in this space will be successful. Enterprises are likely to run into common challenges like compatibility issues, workforce training, upfront costs, data security, and lack of industry standards. For more widespread adoption, enterprises will need to address these concerns. Strategic investments and collaboration between manufacturers and technology providers are essential to overcome these barriers. But the vision of a connected, intelligent, and agile manufacturing ecosystem is within reach.